Yo, what's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Daisies by Justin Bieber. There's already a few tutorials on YouTube as of today, but I'm just sharing with you my version of it. I'm going to give you a chord progression. I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be in the description and pinned comment down below, so you can refer to that if you need to. But first, here's a little preview of what the song is going to sound like. Hey, real quick before we get into that, I'd just like to thank everyone who's donated to the channel so far. If you'd like to donate to keep these tutorials going, I have my Cash App and my Venmo up on the screen right now. Again, I appreciate it. And now, back to the video. As you can see, I have a capo on the 4th fret. Every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You need to know 4 chords for the song. Those 4 chords are C sharp minor 7, A major 7, F sharp minor 7, and G sharp minor 7. And now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. Alright, first chord is C sharp minor 7, so we're going to bar the 4th fret and we're going to put our finger on the 5th fret of the B string and the 6th fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. Next chord is A major 7, so we're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string. It's going to sound like this. Next chord is F sharp minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret and we're putting our finger on the 4th fret of the A string. It's going to sound like this. Last chord is G sharp minor 7, so we're just going to keep that same chord shape and we're going to move up to the 4th fret. So now we're barring the 4th fret and our finger is on the 6th fret of the A string and you have a G sharp minor 7. Okay, so that's the chord progression exactly in that order. Now if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's a strumming pattern that you can use. So for the C sharp minor 7 and A major 7, I'm doing the same thing. And what I'm doing is I'll pluck the A, D, and then I'll do a down strum. Again, A, D, down strum. A major 7, like I said, same thing. A, D, down strum. Okay? So it's going to sound like this. Pay attention to the tempo. Again. Alright? Now for the F sharp minor 7 and G sharp minor 7, I'm doing something a little bit different. It's pretty similar, but instead of plucking the A string first, I'm now going to pluck the low E string. But everything else is the same. So low E, D, down strum. Okay? Again, low E, D, down strum. Same thing for the G sharp minor 7. Low E, D, down strum. Okay, so to the tempo of the song, from the F sharp minor 7. Again, pay attention to the tempo. So when you put all 4 chords together, it's going to sound like this. All right. Now for the chorus, I'm just doing down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So that's just an example, but like I always say, if you have another way that you want to strum it, then by all means go ahead and do that. You are the creator, but that's how you play the song. As always, guys, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that it helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer each one. If you feel like this video added value to you, please go ahead and share it with someone that you think might want to learn the song. While I have your attention, I'd like to invite you to follow my Instagram and my TikTok. I have tutorials on there that I don't necessarily have here on YouTube. I'll go ahead and link those down in the description and pin comment below. Right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen. Go ahead and check that one out and I'll see you guys in the next video.